Hey, welcome to the official Windows 8 channel, and we're going to talk today about the command prompt. Yes, the command prompt is still available in Windows 8, and it's basically the same type of command prompt we've seen for several years since the early days of Windows. And of course, like in other versions of Windows, especially Vista and 7, Windows 8 has the regular command prompt and what is called elevated command prompt. And so they're available quite easily in your Windows 8 machine. So if you need to have a command prompt for a command, and an example why you would need a command prompt, maybe you have a problem of some sort, or maybe you have a little tweak in Windows that you want to make, and it's easier to do in the command prompt. Or maybe you've seen a website say, well, you know, you can tweak this, but you need to actually enter a command. Well, to get to the command prompt, all you have to do is go in the bottom left corner of Windows 8 start screen, right click, and there you'll have right there command prompt, which is the first one here. This is the regular command prompt. This has regular privileges. So on some modifications you might make, it's going to be okay. But keep in mind that you might actually want to have higher privileges. Why? Because some Windows features, some Windows software aren't available and aren't modifiable if you're not in the administrator mode. So in case you need more privileges, then you'll go back to the bottom left corner, and you also have command prompt admin. And this one will ask you, and will say, do you want to allow the following program to make changes to this computer? The user account control is going to show up to say, hey, you know, you're going to actually do a lot of changes, and do you really want to do it? So you'll click yes, and then you'll have here the real big command prompt, the one that lets you do almost anything through commands. So if you need a real good command prompt in administrator privileges, it's all available there on your computer, and all you have to do is go into the bottom left corner, right click. I believe you can also go into the charms bar and get it. If, for example, you go into the charms bar, swipe, go into the search, and start with command, and here you see command prompt. And if you look at settings, basically all you have through this feature is the regular command prompt. So if you want to run it as administrator, you can right click on it. You see that there's a little check mark, and at the bottom you see here it says run as administrator, so you can click or touch, if you have a touch screen, on run as administrator. And you see it works because every time the command prompt comes in as an administrator, you'll have the user account control ask you if you really want to do that. So here you've got command prompt, where you can actually basically do a lot of stuff into Windows 8. And so if you need a command prompt, you'll know now how to actually search it. A lot of the websites that talk about, you know, modifications you can add to Windows 8 actually don't really tell you where to get the command prompt. All it says is, okay, well, go get the command prompt in administrator mode, and we'll type this. So if you don't know how to get it, well, this video shows you now that everywhere you can get it. But the easiest way, really go at the bottom left corner of the screen, right click, and there you'll have command prompt and command prompt admin. So it's all there, available in Windows 8. For how long? I don't know. The command prompt, I've heard the rumors that they want to phase it out slowly. So is it going to be there in the next Windows Blue version or Windows 8.1? Who knows? So thanks for watching. If you enjoy our videos, click the subscribe button. And if you have any comments, questions, or maybe a request of a video or a feature you'd like to see in reviewed in a video, let us know. And if you've got that new Windows 8 machine, you're a little lost, well, you know, take a look at our different videos, and you'll have more and more information about Windows 8. And hopefully you'll learn how to use it to the maximum. So thanks for watching. Hope you come back to the official Windows 8 channel. Bye-bye.